I want to raise the report that is now in the possession of Minister Foley from Sheila Noonan, the negotiator. And she was to report within 6 months, and she was appointed almost 2 years ago. That report is now completed and with the Minister. And I have 2 issues of concern. One is, what are the next steps? We need a clear outline of what's going to happen in relation to the consequences of that negotiation that has taken such a long time. The second thing is the report in the paper. We're reading about it in the paper, albeit not all of the report, but contents of the report. Once again, we have a leak. This is the second time now that survivors have been treated with utter disrespect. So go back to 2020, the government got the mother and baby home report. January we discussed it in the Dáil, and the only people that had it were the media and comments, and an interview with Micheál Martin at the time on a leaked report, and the exact same thing has happened again. And I really, first of all, an apology, and secondly, what's going to happen now, and when will the survivors get the report?
Yeah, look, Deputy Connolly is right. I mean, survivors should never read that information third hand or in the media. And I know Minister Foley would share that view too. So let me speak to the Minister about what can be done to update survivors and update them directly, and also to apologise for any way that information has been disseminated or put into the public domain in a way that isn't sensitive to them and putting them and their needs as paramount importance. My understanding is that it is due to come to Cabinet shortly, but let me just seek absolute clarity on that in terms of the next steps. I'll ask Minister Foley to come back to you directly.